How to add new user PIN codes on your Alfred smart lock. First thing you're going to do is go into your menu setting by entering your default master PIN code, or using your master PIN code if you've already set it up, and you get into your master settings by **, enter your master PIN code, which is 2018 on our demo lock, enter, and it gets into your menu settings. You're going to hit number 2 to set up user PIN code, and you're going to select number 1. This is where you're going to be able to enter in your 4 to 10 digit PIN code for your user. Enter it in once. We're going to use 2020 as an example. Lock it in, and we're going to enter it in one more time. Lock it in. And now you've added a new PIN code to your smart lock. You can hit * to exit the menu mode, and now you're done.